In this video, I'll show you how to add audio in Capcut. So I'll show you the two ways you could do this. First of all, open up the app, open up a project of your choice, or a new project. Select the video you want to use, or the videos you want to use. Now, with the video selected, import it. Click on audio tab down. Click on sounds. Now, you can choose TikTok sounds, popular TikTok sounds. So click on any genre you want. Maybe if it's love, click on it like this. Then you click on the plus sign to add the audio to your video. Another way you can do this is by getting audio from your device. So select on the old audio you just added, delete it, click on delete. Now go to sounds, go to the folder icon beside TikTok. Now you can choose extracted, whereby you get audio from a video already existing, but you just extract only the audio. Or you click on device, whereby you get only audio files on your device. So in this example, just click on device. Then you can choose any audio you want. I'll choose any random audio, just for this example. Then the audio is added to your video. Thanks for watching.